There are lots of reasons to use Google My Business posts for your real estate business, but if we had to pick just one, it would be this one. Google is the biggest search engine in the world. If you're a real estate agent, you've probably heard about Google My Business posts and how they can help your business. But if you haven't, GMB posts are basically like Instagram stories for your business. They allow you to create content that will show up in search results across Google when people search for your name or company. Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. If you're not using Google My Business posts, then you're missing out on the opportunity to show up in search results when people are looking for businesses like yours. And if you're a real estate agent, that means you're missing out on potential clients. The thing is, while they can be really helpful in getting more leads and clients, many agents don't know how to optimize their posts for success. And if you're not optimizing them correctly, it could mean losing business. In this video, we'll go over different ways you can optimize your posts so that they can do their job of bringing in more leads and clients. Why use GMB posts anyway? What is not like Instagram stories or any other social media is your GMB post will live forever on your Google business page. We often use social media to get in front of new clients, but with social media, we post today and it's gone tomorrow, buried under all the other posts that came after it. But with Google, Google is the largest search engine in the world. 90% of all the searches online are being done in Google, so the traffic already exists. The nice thing about Google is because it's a search engine, it's constantly looking for relevant content. So a post you made on your GMB page 6 months ago would still show up for relevant searches today. That's why it's so important for real estate agents to use Google My Business posts. They're an opportunity for them to demonstrate their expertise in a specific area, show off their personality, and appeal directly to their target audience. GMB posts are more than just a way to reach out to clients and potential clients. They're an opportunity for you to build credibility and trust with your audience. So how do we get our clients to see us as experts? By using GMB posts. These are short, snappy snippets of content that show up on Google search results for your company and allow customers to learn more about the services and products you offer. They're also a great way for real estate agents to showcase their expertise in a specific area, and they are an excellent source of information for people who are looking for a new home or want to sell their current one. And if you're a realtor, posting on your Google business page could mean more leads for you. How to set up GMB posts. If you're a real estate agent, you know how important it is to optimize your Google My Business page. It's the first thing prospective clients will see when they search for agents in your area. You need to make sure that your page is set up right and includes all of the right details so that you show up in their search results. The good news is that setting up your GMB posts is super easy. Let's start with the basics. How many posts should you have? It depends on how big your company is, but most real estate agents recommend at least 3. First, you'll need an About Us post, second is a services post, and then also a testimonials post. They'll also tell you that it's important to use keywords in your titles and descriptions so that Google will rank them higher in search results. But don't worry about that yet, we'll cover keyword optimization later in this video. The first thing we're going to do is create a new page for each of these categories: About Us, Services, and Testimonials. To do this, click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner of the page and select Create Page. You'll see a window pop up where you can name each one. When you name them, give them descriptive names like company history, service offerings, or client testimonials. Once you have added those 3, follow these tips as you are adding more GMB posts to your Google business page. 1. Create a custom page for each post type, for example, a blog post, an article, an event. 2. Write engaging content that answers questions or solves problems for potential clients. 3. Make sure that all of your posts have a good title, description, and URL. Setting up GMB posts is super important, and it's something that a lot of people overlook. You can't just set up your Google business profile and then forget about it. You have to be active on Google My Business to make sure that you're showing up in searches for the right keywords and getting traffic from them. Start creating GMB posts now. GMB posts are a great way to improve your Google My Business listing and get more traffic to your business. They are one of the best ways to optimize your Google business page, and it's also a great way to build trust with potential clients. Here's why. 1. GMB posts are indexed almost instantly by Google, which means they can help you show up in search results almost immediately immediately and stay there. This is a huge bonus for real estate agents who want their clients to find them quickly and easily when searching for properties. 2, the more content you have on your GMB page, the better it will look to potential customers. This means that if you add enough content like listings or blog posts, then people will be more likely to click through from Google search results. Make sure all of your content is relevant and well written before publishing it on your Google business page. Your GMB posts help users find you when they search for certain keywords related to your business. If you're a real estate agent, an example of a GMB post would be how to sell a home in your city. This kind of post will help people who are looking for information about selling homes find your profile. And when they click on it, they can see that you have experience in selling homes in the area and maybe even contact you directly. You can also use GMB posts to draw attention to special services or events that are happening at your business. For instance, if you're having an open house this weekend or running a special promotion on home staging services, put together some text and images that describe what's going on and then share it as a GMB post. How to optimize GMB posts for your small business. If you're a real estate agent or if you own or manage a small business, you know how important it is to optimize your Google My Business page. GMB posts are a great way to do this. But what if your business is small and doesn't have the time or resources to create new content for every single one of your Google My Business posts? Here are 5 tips for optimizing your GMB posts without having to come up with all new content each time. 1. Create seasonal content. 2. Use images more frequently. 3. Use videos more frequently. 4. Focus on keywords that will help people find you in search results. Be consistent with your name, address, and phone number to help Google find you for local searches. And 5. Make sure that all posts contain at least one photo. This helps people recognize your business. Your Google business page is a powerful channel for local businesses, and it can help you stand out from the crowd of other small businesses in your area. But how do you make sure that your GMB posts are optimized for real estate agents? Take advantage of using images and videos as often as possible. Google wants us to use our Google business page like we do other social media, and sharing visuals is a key part of that. And also make sure each post has a call to action. What do you want your reader to do next? The best part about your Google business page is as you put out your GMB posts consistently, these posts can be found today or 2 years from now. So make sure you utilize your content to have your readers contact you after each post. Share the different aspects of your day with your GMB posts. One of the best ways to use GMB posts is to share the different aspects of your day with your clients. If you're a real estate agent, you know how important it is to share with your customers. But did you know that Google My Business posts are a great way to do that? You can also share pictures of properties that have sold in the area or that are currently for sale. This will help anyone who is interested in buying or selling a property in this area. GMB posts allow you to post up to 4 images per post. So you can share pictures of things like homes for sale, houses being built and renovated, or even pictures of yourself going out on appointments and meeting clients. The best thing about GMB posts is that they can be posted directly from your phone just like any other app. That means no more having to go back home just because you forgot something at work. You could just snap a quick photo with your phone and upload it right away. This allows you to build trust and credibility with your target audience and show them you are active in your community. Feature what you are selling. In real estate, feature what you are selling with your GMB posts. Real estate agents use Google My Business to attract new leads and promote their listings. But when it comes to using GMB posts, many agents make the mistake of not writing about their products or services. Instead, they just write about themselves. But when a potential client searches for a particular type of property, they want to see a real estate agent's post that is relevant to what they're looking for. So if you've got a listing in a particular area or price range, make sure that's what you're talking about in your posts. Make sure that all of your posts are relevant to your business. Make sure your posts have good photos and videos so people can see what you're promoting. When you post, focus on things like amenities and other features that will make someone want to live there or buy it. And finally, make sure that each post has an accurate description so people know exactly what they're looking at when they click through from Google searches. If you're a real estate agent, your Google business page posts are a great way to generate more leads. People are already going into Google searching for homes, but your target audience may not be looking for you on Google. Use your GMB post to put what they are looking for onto your Google business page, and they will find you much easier. Take advantage of every holiday. In real estate, you need to capitalize on every opportunity that comes your way, whether it's a chance to get a client in the door or just more exposure for the business itself. You have to make sure that you're doing everything possible to get your name out there. One of the best ways to do this is with Google My Business posts. These posts are specifically designed for local businesses, so they can help you stand out from the crowd and drive more traffic through your online presence. When should you post? Anytime there's a holiday or special event coming up, it's important to take advantage of it. These are ready-made posts for those that don't have the time to come up with new content on a consistent basis. While you are putting these events on your website, you should also post these to your Google business page. Your GMB post will index faster in Google, and it's a great way to build awareness for your local company for other content outside of listings. Also, you can also let people know you are working during the holidays, which is especially important when people are looking to buy homes. There are plenty of holidays throughout the year. You can use these as opportunities to reach new audiences or celebrate existing ones. Showcase your team. In real estate, showcase your team with your GMB posts. When people are looking for a real estate agent, they want to work with someone who is knowledgeable about the area, that has experience in the field, and can get the results they want. You can do that with your GMB posts. And if you are a team, you want to show that you're a team who works together to bring the best value to your clients. You can do this by showcasing your team on Google My Business posts. A GMB post is a great way to give your customers an idea of how many agents work at the agency and how many years experience they have in selling homes. They also give potential clients a chance to connect you with more directly because they can see who's behind the listing when they click through from Google search results. You can use your Google My Business posts to highlight your agents. When you're writing these posts, think about what makes each person unique and why they're important to your business. Use their name and their picture wherever possible. And don't forget to mention what they do at your agency. Also, be sure that all of your listings are linked back to your website where people can learn more about each agent's background and expertise. Put SEO into play. If you're a real estate agent and you're not optimizing your Google My Business posts, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to reach more customers and generate more leads. While this may seem like an obvious thing to do, many agents don't know how to optimize their posts, and a lot of agents aren't even aware that they can make changes to their Google business page at all. But there are tons of ways to improve your presence on the site and boost traffic to your listing pages. In fact, you may be surprised to learn that Google My Business posts are the most important part of your overall SEO strategy. It's true. Google My Business posts are where you can display your expertise and authority in a way that makes you stand out from the crowd and get found by people looking for what you do. Think about it. If someone is searching realtors near me or best realtors near me, it's because they don't have a real estate agent they want already, and they need help finding someone like you. So how do you get found? By putting yourself in front of potential clients with well-optimized Google My Business posts. The great thing about posts on Google My Business is that they're easy to create, easy to update, and easy to optimize. And if you want to have an edge over your competitors, then you need to optimize Google My Business posts for SEO. The good news is that Google My Business posts are a great way to do so. They allow you to add rich content like images, videos, links, and more while keeping everything organized on one page. Here's how. 1. Create an attractive title using keywords that are relevant to your business. For example, something like Best Realtors in San Francisco. 2. Write a compelling description that includes more keywords and makes people want to click through. You can include keywords like check out our beautiful office. We're located just off Market Street in downtown San Francisco. 3. Keep them short and sweet. You can write them in any format and include text, images, videos, and share them anywhere online using social media links. Once you put your GMB post out there, you can share it everywhere. Build your business's reputation, attract more customers, and boost your SEO with GMB posts. Whether you're an experienced real estate agent or just getting started in the industry, there's a lot of competition in the market. You want to make sure you're doing everything you can to set yourself apart from the pack. One of the most important ways to do this is by optimizing your Google My Business profile. There are a lot of great reasons to use Google My Business posts to establish your company's presence on Google. But the most important reason? Your real estate business is only going to grow if you're able to build your reputation, attract more customers, and boost your SEO, which is exactly what GMB posts can do for you. 1. Build your business's reputation. It's no secret that Google loves local businesses that have a proven track record of providing excellent service. So if you want to be found by people searching for real estate agents in your area, it's important that they can see how long you've been in business and how many happy clients you've served over the years. With GMB posts, it's easy. Just upload photos of happy clients who have worked with you in the past and tell their stories. If there are any awards or recognitions from industry organizations or other local companies that you've received, make sure to include those too. 2. Attract more customers. You know what attracts people? Reviews. And when those reviews come from people who have worked with you in the past, it's even more powerful. Review sites like Google allow you to display customer reviews right on your business page. When people see that they're able to get a glimpse into how others feel about working with you and what they've said about your services, they'll be more likely to reach out for help themselves. 3. Boost your SEO. You can use Google My Business posts to get the word out about your business and the services you offer. And if you're an agent, this is super important. engagement. With GMB posts, you can share new listings or sale announcements, promote special offers, engage with customers, and much more. You can even include a link back to your website so that people will know where to find more information about what you do or even contact you directly. Google My Business can be a powerful tool for real estate agents, but it's still important to keep in mind that it's just one part of your marketing strategy. You also need to take advantage of other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, as well as search engine optimization techniques like keyword research. That said, if you want to improve your ranking on Google, then start creating content now. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. You can get the free step-by-step checklist of the best ways to get more reviews for your real estate business by clicking the link below in the description. And if you want us to help to optimize your Google business page, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.